Hello everyone, today in this video we would like to set up a very simple project which we have a real-time clock based on ESP32 and DS1302, which is a real-time clock module, and the output will be OLED display which is 0.96 inch, and we will use a breadboard and a few jumper wire. So first we're going to put a ESP32 on a breadboard. So as you know, this ESP32 is not a breadboard friendly, so we're gonna need two breadboards. So the two breadboard we will join here, so we get more space, and we put in the middle here. So the purpose for using these two breadboards is we can use this side of digital pin and from this side digital pin. So if you use one breadboard, it will not have the space for digital pin. Alright, so we put right here, and first we're gonna connect a jumper wire to here. So we using these two modules, which is one OLED display and RTC module. So each have the VCC pin. Each we use 3.3 or 5.0. So we're gonna take a 5.0 from ESP32. So as you know, ESP32 does not have any 5 volt. This we only have the 3.3. So sometimes if we use 3.3 volt, the current will not enough. So we will use 5.0 from here. So what we do is from V in, this we have the output as well 5.0. So we can take the 5.0 from here. So you see here's V in. V in is we will use as 5.0 output. Then we split it to two female jumper wire here, and at the ground as well. So the ground, from the ground here, we're gonna take two ground, two VCC. So one VCC and one ground. So same goes to OLED display. VCC we connect to VCC, and the ground we connect to the ground here. And so from this OLED display, you will see SCL, serial clock. Serial clock we connect to digital pin number 22 right here, and SDA we connect to digital pin number 21. So from LCD to ESP is complete, and from RTC, which is DS1302, we will have clock and data and reset. So one shot we're gonna put jumper wire here, and so it does not matter which color you're using, we have to make sure the clock pins we connect to digital pin number 18. 18 is right here, and a data pins we connect to digital pin number 19. Data pin is right here. We're gonna use 19, and what's left, and reset pins. So reset we connect to digital pin number 5. So the connection is complete here. So OLED display will be right here. So make sure you're using the correct USB cable, which will be able to transfer a data. And let's upload the code. When uploading the code, we have to press the boot button on ESP32, otherwise the code will not be done upload.
Okay, so we're going to open Arduino IDE, and here this is the code. You just have to make sure you're using ESP32, the correct board. So to do that, you just have to click here, and this is a library file. All these things you have to install from the tools here, from the sketch here. Goes to include library and manage library, and you type whatever you need. So let's say you type RTC. If you just type RTC, and this is the library that you need to install here. I already installed here, and then you already install everything. And make sure you connect the correct pins of your RTC module, and this is your LCD size, and then we click upload. Now it's uploading the code. Okay, done upload. So done upload, what we can do is we have to press the EN button from ESP32 right here, and now we get the time. So then depending on your timing, you will have a display over here. So if you think this video is helpful, please help me to support, like and share, and comment. Anything you want to ask, you can ask in the comments. Thank you for watching my video.